Hi, this is Robert. I'm a homeowner in Plantation, and I just wanted to do this quick video for Mint Marble to show you a little bit about what our situation was and how they handled it. We had a bad install on our floors here. We had many tiles that were uneven, up to about a millimeter, and a few tiles that were actually of a little bit lower quality. They were what they call soft, and Mint Marble came in and they honed everything down. We were looking for a shiny look to the floor, and they came in and polished everything up. They used a seal that is very slip resistant. I have two little ones, and they're constantly running around the house. But even if the floor is wet, there is very little slip to the floor.